Now today we will discuss about the history of India, and this chapter is last India our country section B. This is the last page left from the first chapter, India our country section B. Now here we will be discussing about the history of India. At which place is Buddha believed to have first taught his message of Dharma? Now Mahatma Buddha, you have heard about him. Where did he taught his message of Dharma? Bodh Gaya, Sanchi, Sarnath or Haridwar? And that is Sarnath. Next, who founded the Mauryan Empire? Ashoka, Chandragupta, Devaraman or Bindusara? And we'll go with option C, Chandragupta. Chandragupta was the founder of the Mauryan Empire. Which of these books was written by Kautilya? Arthashastra, Ramayana, Natyashastra or Mahabharata? And that is Arthashastra. Next, fourth, Jijabai was the mother of which great Indian warrior? Ashoka, Shivaji, Akbar or Tipu Sultan? So Jijabai was the mother of great Indian warrior Shivaji. Clear? Next, which king is said to have assumed the title of Devampiya Piyadasi? Devanpiya Piyadasi, this title was assumed for Samudragupta, Ashoka, Pulkeshin II or Sher Suri. It is Ashoka. Clear? Who became the first Governor General of British? Robert Clive, William Bentinck, Warren Hastings or Charles Metcalfe? It is William Bentinck. Next, the brothers Harihara and Bukka were the founders of which empire? Vijayanagar, Kushan, Gupta or Maratha? Now, Harihara and Bukka were the founders of Vijayanagar Empire. They were the founders of Vijayanagar Empire. Next, who founded the Pala Empire? Devpala, Dharampala or Gopala I or Ashoka? And that is Gopala first. He was the founder of the Pala Empire. Dear student, these are the questions from the history of India. Hope it is clear. So let us start with the next, and that is our second chapter, Sports Roundup. Now this is the second chapter from section A, Sports Roundup. Hope you know that this time in your periodic one only two chapters are there, India our country and Sports Roundup. So let us start. Played in 4 to 8 chakkars. Each team consists of 4 players. Now in this 4 players are there: bump, hook and handicap and neck shot. These are some of the common terms in this game. Is it clear? These terms are used in this game. So this game is polo. Which game is this? Polo. They have given you some clues and you have to identify the sport. Is it clear which sports it is? Next, in this men Olympic event, each participant competes in 10 different athletic events. Is it clear? In this, those who are the participants, they have to compete in 10 different events. 10 different athletic events they have to compete, and that is known as decathlon. That is known as decathlon. Is it clear? Next, in this team sport, each player has a stick with a net at one end in which they catch, carry or pass and shoot the ball. Is it clear? There is a net, from there they have to shoot the ball, and that is lacrosse. 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 Next, polo, sprint and slalom are the various categories of this rough water sports. Now this is a rough water sports, and polo, sprint and slalom, these are the various categories, and the name of the sports is canoeing. What is the name? Canoeing. CANOEING. Next, the New Zealand national team of this sport is called the All Blacks, and the Australian call their team the Wallabies. So this is rugby. This is rugby. 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 Next, this winter Olympic event is played in the categories like alpine and Nordic combined. Alpine is downhill and slalom, and Nordic combined is cross country. So this is played in winter only, and this is a winter Olympic game, and it is skiing. 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 Next, this event was not held in 1956 Melbourne Olympics owing to strict quarantine laws, and is the only Olympic event in which an animal wins a medal. So in this, the medal is given to an animal, and this is equestrian. It is equestrian. EQUESTRIAN. Next, it is a grueling athletic event in which the participants swim, cycle and run against each other. Okay, in this the participants have to swim, they have to run, they have to cycle, they have to do different these events in this sports, and this is triathlon. What it is? This sport is triathlon. TRIATHLON. Now we have done these different sports. They have given you the clue, and according to that we have named that sports. Is it clear? Please write neat and clean in the given box. Is it clear? So these 2 pages please complete it. That's all for today.